Hello, my name is Izar. I'm a debug solution engineer, and today we're going to talk about Verisium Debug. So this is the Verisium Debug screen. We get immense amounts of data, and what we try to do is balance between giving the user debug capabilities and keeping things simple and intuitive. We do that by a series of tools. First and foremost, driver tracing, allowing us to connect a signal to the root cause of its driver. Next, we have the SmartLog, allowing us to link between a log message and the source code that generated it. We have, of course, the low power information, allowing us to connect power intent information on top of RTL debug. With UVM tools, what we can do is get insight to the UVM hierarchy alongside with UVM tools dedicated at solving specific problems of the UVM debug. With Randomization Debug, we leverage the constraint solver steps, hence giving us debug capabilities specifically aimed at solving randomization issues. And finally, Python API allows us to solve specific customized user issues by giving us access to query the database itself. Databases are getting longer and larger, and designs are getting more complex. While thinking of that, turnaround time is of course always an issue, and we try to shorten the time between we discover a bug and the time we understand what we can do with it. Our solution is a whole new architecture for the waveform database. It's called VWDB, and we shorten the time both it takes to read the database and to write it. And we see great turnaround time shortening in the response time. So what are the main takeaways here? First and foremost, the ease of use. We have dedicated tools, each designed at solving specific complex debug problems, while keeping sync between them, giving us efficiency and simplicity. With fast turnaround time, we shorten the time from discovering the bug to the point we understand what we can do with it. And we're scalable to modern SoC designs with size with the VWDB waveform database structure. In the next videos, we'll dive into the different debug flows, RTL debug, testbench debug, and finally Python API. Thank you.